guys, this is Heather. Today we're gonna make a pasta with a creamy pumpkin sauce with some sauteed mushrooms and spinach in there. It's gonna be super delicious, super comforting. As we move into November, it's all about nice, warm, hearty, filling dishes. So let's jump into it. First thing, we're gonna start some water boiling for pasta, so that's on high. And then I've sliced some mushrooms and get those sauteing over here with a pinch of salt. Add some onion. Meanwhile, my water is boiling, so I'm gonna add some whole wheat fusilli pasta back to the pan with some garlic. Once your mushrooms are browned to your liking, more or less brown than this, then just add a handful of spinach, all chopped up. Stir it through just so it wilts. And then clear one side, and you're gonna add half a cup of pumpkin puree and about a quarter cup of non-dairy milk, and then mix that together. Add more milk if you need. You're looking to make a thick sauce, and then toss it through with everything you got going on here. And then you can season it, so everything creamy is better with a little nutritional yeast. Add a little bit more salt if you want, add some sage, some thyme, whatever you feel like. Give it a taste and see what you think. And you can probably turn the heat off here. Otherwise, you can tell it's already starting to stick. I added a little more milk. I'm gonna put some black pepper on here. I think it depends what kind of puree you've gotten. So if you cook your pumpkin fresh, you won't need as much milk. If you use pumpkin puree like I did today, you'll use a little more. Once your pasta is cooked, drain it, and you can either top it with the sauce or toss it right in. I like using rotini or fusilli for sauces like this so that it can get in all the little nooks and crannies and just be super delicious. Ready for a taste test? Really good. It's not overly pumpkin-y, if anybody was worried about that. It's more like a subtle pumpkin and really just creamy delicious. If you give it a try, let me know what you think. Leave me any questions or comments down below. Thumbs up if you like it, and be sure to grab your free November cooking calendar that has this recipe plus 29 others for the month. You can watch how to make all of them in the playlist that I've set up for you. Hope you enjoy. Go have a wonderful, healthy day, and we will talk soon. Next week, I'm gonna do a what I eat in a day video, so I'll see you for that. Bye, guys. Shout out to my friends at Tofu Team for this awesome t-shirt. I'm vegan. What's your superpower? I get a lot of comments on this shirt. Veganook, yeah.